First, we're going to solve the inequality, and then we are going to graph the solution on a number line. So I'm going to solve the inequality. So I've got to figure out what x is. There we go. Started working again. So x minus 7 is going to be less than or equal to 16. So I need to isolate the x, so I have to get rid of the minus 7, and the inverse of minus 7 is plus. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties over here. Let's see if this will work. So plus 7. So these are going to cancel out. Oops, another technical difficulty. Now I have x is less than or equal to, it does say 16 plus 7, which is 23. So that is my solution. Now I'm going to go ahead and graph that inequality. So I'm going to put the numbers on there. I'm going to need 23. And the surrounding numbers, again, noticing that I'm using the numbers for my solution, not from 7 and 16. Those are not the ones that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a circle at 23, and I'm going to keep it, actually I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to do a closed circle because it is or equal to, so it can be 23 itself, and x is going to be less than or equal to 23. So less than, we're going to go to the left. There you go. And there's my solution.